Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you attending these virtual classes. Welcome to the class 4th subject science. Today we are going to discuss the new lesson that is lesson number 5, which is not there for the assessment 1. Don't worry, we have kept only 1 to 4 lesson for assessment 1, which will be take place in the 3rd week of September. Soon you will get the timetable and all. 3rd week of September you are having the examination of first assessment for class 4th, and syllabus of the science is lesson number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, lesson number 5th, which we are going to start from today, will not be coming for the examination first. It will be this chapter will be for second assessment. Okay, for second term. Getting? So welcome, and we'll start with today's lesson number 5, circulatory system and excretory system. Again we have come up with the biology, okay, the systems of our body, right? And we'll just see the introduction part of these both the system in today's video. Okay, generally what is the function of the system, what are the organ of the system, we are going to discuss in detail in the forthcoming videos. Today we will just discuss why these systems are very important for our body, what is the role of these systems, and different kinds of aspects related to these systems we will be discussing in today's video. Okay, first of all, let me tell you, our body is made up of, see, there is the process. Okay, first of all, a body is made up of the small parts called cells. Okay, see the journey. Cells. Cells are going to form tissues. First, cells are formed. Cells are going to form tissues. Tissues are going to form organ. Cells, then tissues. Tissues are going to form organs, and organs are going to form organ systems. And organ systems, all the organ systems going to form human body. Okay, this is the process. First, cells, the smallest part of the body is cells. Cells is converted into tissues. Tissues is going to form the organs. Different organs are going to form the organ systems, and all the organ systems are going to form the human body. Okay, this is the process. We'll be discussing today 2 organ systems. Okay, means cells, tissues, organs and organ systems. So we'll be discussing 2 organ systems in today's video, that is circulatory system and excretory system. Not completely we are discussing in today's video, only introduction part we'll see. But in this chapter, I mean to say in this chapter, we are going to discuss related or about the circulatory system and excretory systems. Okay, so let us go for it. Before going to discuss circulatory system, let me tell you, our body, okay, our body is working with the circulation of the blood. Okay, you might have heard circulation of the blood. The blood is circulating in the body, the blood is flowing into the body 24/7. Blood circulation is continuously happens. We eat food, okay, we will get energy, we will get nutrients, and nutrients are then converted into the blood. Our body is running, or we can say we are surviving with the help of the blood circulation which is happening in the body continuously. So who is going to circulate all this blood? Which is the organ which are related to the blood circulation? That's all we are going to see. Okay, first of all, we'll see the circulatory system. Circulatory systems. Okay, first of all, we'll see circulatory system. First of all, circulatory system consists of heart. Let me tell you, the organs which form the circulatory systems are heart. What? The heart, blood, and blood vessels. These three things are very important while discussing the circulatory system. Heart pumps the blood and the blood vessels. Blood itself will be pumped by the heart and the blood vessels is carrying the blood which is pumped by the heart and providing or circulating to the entire parts of the body. Each part of the body will get blood in the form of blood vessels. Blood vessels are nothing but the tiny tubes we can see. Okay, these are the wire-like structure, tiny tube-like structure which carries the blood which is pumped by the heart. Okay, so heart itself pumps the blood and blood vessels will be carry this blood to circulate to the entire body and all the parts of the body we can see. Okay, that is circulatory system. You can imagine what is the importance of the circulatory system in our body. You know why people are saying heart attack. What is meant by heart attack? Terrorists are coming to attack on the heart? No. Then usually we say heart attack. That persons died due to the heart attack. Okay, heart attack, heart fail. What is meant by heart attack? Who is going to attack on the heart? Nobody is going to attack on the heart. Okay, you can imagine if the heart does not functions well, you can now imagine what will happen. The blood circulation will stop. The blood in the body is in the liquid form, let me tell you. Okay, the blood which is inside the body in the fluid form, in a liquid form, and will be circulated by the heart. If heart will not functions well, it is said that the person is getting the heart attack or his heart is failed. Why? Because when heart does not functions well, what is the function of the heart first? To circulation of blood circulation. If blood circulation will not happen, the different organs will not get blood and these organs will also not functions well and you will be dead. You will be dead, your body will not work, it means we people will dead. If the heart will not functions well, blood circulation will have stopped. Okay, so it is very important to keep your heart healthy. How to keep your heart healthy? Will you take your heart to the hospital daily? No, there are lots of exercises, pranayam, yogas, exercise which keeps the heart healthy. Okay, we should diet, we should follow the balanced diet, we should not eat too much oily things. So we must have to take care of the heart because it is very important organ in the body. Because the function is very important of the heart, obviously. The function, the task is performed by the heart is very important, circulation of the blood. So it must be healthy. So keep your heart healthy, be happy always, don't be angry for the small reasons, have the good kind of exercise and keep your heart healthy and ultimately keep your circulatory system healthy. Okay, that's all. We'll discuss the different function of the heart, blood vessels, what are the types of blood vessels, capillaries, okay, arteries. There are different types of blood vessels are there. We'll be discussing in the next video. Introduction part will be there. Now we'll introduce the second system, that is excretory system. Okay. See, excretory system, the word excretion itself indicates the meaning of the particular excretory system. Before going to start excretory systems introduction, let me tell you, we people keeps on eating food for getting energy for the nutrients. Okay, so whatever food we are eating, the entire food is not get digested in your body. Okay, suppose you are eating 4 chapatis, 5 chapatis, plenty of rice, water, fruits, the entire food which you have intake in your body will not be digested by the body. Okay, the few part will be digested, which become nutrients and then become blood and all. You all know that process. The part which you have eaten is not get digested will be the waste. Okay, that part will be the waste. That waste will be removed from your body through the system called excretory system. Okay, excretion, removing unwanted part, unwanted waste from the body, out of the body, that is called excretion. So excretory system consists of which organ? Urinary bladder. The urinary bladder, kidneys are also excretory system organs, okay, and urethra. Okay, these are the organs of excretory system. Kidneys, urinary bladder and urethra. Okay, the water which we drink. Okay, see, you people knows that we must use to go for the toilet for urine, to remove the urine. So urine is what? Excess of water from our body. The water which is not useful for the body will be waste, and that is thrown out of the body with the help of urinary bladder. Okay, so there is a kidney. What is the role of kidney? Kidneys are working like a filter. Okay, whatever water we are drinking, that water will get filtered with the help of kidneys, which is present inside the body. There is a pair of kidneys. One kidney is there? No, pair of kidneys. 2 kidneys are present inside the body. Kidneys work like a filter. They will filter the water which is useful for the body, will be utilize it, and whatever water will be not useful, will be the waste, will be transferred to the urinary bladder, then urethra, then coming out of the body. That all things we will be discussing through the excretory system in the upcoming videos. First of all, only 2 things are important for today's video, that is circulatory system work is very important, that is circulation of the blood, providing each and every organ of the body blood circulation, and excretory system unwanted waste from the body. That's all. Okay, hope you all are clear with this both the system. With the lesson will be very interesting. Don't worry, we'll be discussing more and more in a very funny, in a very interesting way for the next further part. Till then, take care of yourself and do touch with the studies. Thank you and have a lovely day.